Hey guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to make a playlist, all you want to do is head over to the Spotify app. Once you're there, you want to go to your library in the bottom right corner. And then as you can see, these are my playlists right now. But if I want to add any new ones, all I need to do is select the plus icon in the top right corner. From here, it'll say give you your playlist a name. So I'll go ahead and just put my playlist. It's very simple. And click create. As you can see, it's right here. I can then click add songs. Once I've selected this, I can then search whatever song I would like. So I'll just go put in, say, Linkin Park, for example. From here, I go and select the plus icon right here. I'll just say give this one a plus, that one a plus, and then as you can see, these three are on here. You can also hop out of here and go to search. So say if I want to search it again, and then I want in the end, I can go and select the three dots on the right side, click add to playlist, and then I can choose whatever playlist I want to put it in. So say I want to put it into my playlist one, go and select it. It's already in there, but I'm going to add it anyways. Then as you can see, if I scroll down, all these songs are in this playlist. So that's how you make a playlist on Spotify. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.